was hoping to squeeze in 9 holes before this rain starts.
Certainly, Your Eminency.
Take my bag, huh?
Certainly, Your Magnificence.
Okay, come on. Chop, chop. Let's go.
Better put this on.
Yeah, but...
That's a great shot, though.
Eureka!
I can't believe
that.
how you hit the ball, sir. You're really clubbing it.
Yeah.
We better start moving.
Did you see that? Miracle, eh?
Nice shot, Bishop. You must have made a deal with the devil.
Yeah, I could break the club record, theoretically.
You better come in until this blows over.
Now, what do you think, fella?
I keep playing. I don't think the heavy stuff's going to come down for quite a while.
You're right. Anyway, the good Lord would never disrupt the best game of my life.